and you have to draw the vertebra with two horns, okay? So like this. You make the body, you make the wings like horns, the spine, and then the other arm like this. And the spinal cord, okay? So why am I telling you to make the vertebra like this? Because when you draw the fascia, the prevertebral fascia, like this, make the prevertebral fascia, it's going to create the perfect space for this muscle over here, which is the longus colli muscle, okay? Longus colli. And then on the lateral side, you can put the scalene muscles. Yes? Easy? Now I'm going to draw two arteries. And I want you to tell me if you know the name of these two arteries. You know the names of these two arteries? Vertebral arteries. Where do they come from?
Let's not exaggerate.
Subclavian artery, yes. And in the prevertebral fascia, there is a trunk. You know the name of this trunk?
Sympathetic trunk.
Yes. And by doing this, you finish the first step. Easy? Yes? Now we go on to the next step. You make the esophagus, like this, and you make two nerves next to it. You know the names of these two nerves?
Vagus.
No?
No?
No? Recurrent laryngeal.
Ah.
Okay?
Almost.
Nah.
Here's the next one.
And then you make the trachea. Okay? Anteriorly. Do you know which gland is next to the trachea?
Thyroid.
Yes. You make the thyroid. Good. And now the easiest thing to do afterwards is to do the three muscles. Okay? On the lateral side, we have a muscle here. It's called the omohyoid muscle. Yes? On the other side as well. And on the top, I'm going to do two muscles. One is big and the other one is small. So you have the big one and you have the smaller one. The big one is the sternothyroid because it's next to the thyroid, sternothyroid. And the other one is sternohyoid. Okay? Sternothyroid is close to the thyroid, sternohyoid is away. Now you make their fascia. Do you know the name of their fascia? These muscles fascia?
Before the trachea, so pre-trachea.
Yes. Pretracheal, prevertebral. Okay? And both of them together, they make the deep cervical fascia. Okay? Now it's time to do the carotid sheath. Important. The carotid sheath has to touch the omohyoid. Okay? So we're doing the carotid sheath, touching the omohyoid. And now, do you know what's inside the carotid sheath?
Three things.
Internal carotid artery, internal jugular vein,
No.
external.
Vagus nerve. Common carotid.
Common
Jugular
carotid.
vein.
Common carotid, okay? Important.
Told you this, guys. Come on.
And then laterally you have the vein, and medially you have the artery, because we know the arteries are always deep, right? And the veins are superficial. Now we're done with this step. To go to the next step, there is a huge muscle here. You know the name of this muscle?
Sternocleidomastoid muscle.
Yes. And it has a fascia. You know the name of the fascia?
And I want to say investing.
Yes. Investing layer. Now important, the investing layer continues backwards here and has another one muscle on the back. So which muscle is on the back? In the investing layers? Trapezius. Good. And finally, you make the most superficial muscle. You know the name of it? Platysma, which has the superficial fascia and the skin. That's it. Done. Easy? Yes?
Easy.
Skin, platysma, investing fascia, pretracheal, prevertebral.